My whole body just went into full-blown pain crisis. And I thought for the very first time, I'm going to die from this disease.
Your own body is turning against you.
As if somebody is using a chisel and hammering.
With nails and needles poking through the bone.
It's like being lit on fire.
Moi, j'étais en fauteuil roulant, je pensais vraiment que j'allais mourir et que j'étais personne en fait et que j'allais jamais rien faire de ma vie.
I actually died at hospital, but I was resuscitated.
I'm 27 years old and I've already had 4 hip replacement surgeries.
3 months నుంచి నేను పెయిన్ తో ఉండడం వల్ల వర్క్ చేయలేకపోతున్నా.
They get rid of me because of sickle cell disease. It's so unfair. It's so unfair.
I was told that I shouldn't play sports. I just wanted to be like all my school friends.
Teacher said to me, you cannot do anything.
मेरे को सिकल सेल्स बीमारी के वजह से स्कूल छोड़ना पड़ा और ये मेरा सपना पूरा नहीं हुआ।
दर्द है, ये सिर्फ बच्चे को ही नहीं परिवार को भी होता है।
It's not easy for me. It's not easy. I lose everything.
He had another stroke. Since then, has not been able to talk.
How many patients here have sickle cell disease?
Pelo fato dele ser branco, eles descartaram a possibilidade dele ter falciforme, né?
Because I look fit and healthy, they've told me that I can't have sickle cell. I've gone to hospital in crisis. I've been treated as if I'm a drug seeker and been refused treatment.
There are levels and levels of discrimination and stigma where people are even afraid to talk about it.
हमारे मन के दोस्त ले पता चल ही तो साथ में ही रही.
There wasn't any other child at my school who had sickle cell. I really was out on my own.
And I was felt alienated.
I lost my mom.
If anything happens, she's alone.
The problem is why they don't do the screening. They don't know their status.
Not all the hospitals have sickle cell clinics.
If you don't get good health care, your crisis is going to be worse and the outcome is likely to be bad. In the western part of Kenya, most of them are dead by the end of the first decade of life.
We have found that the leading cause of maternal death in Bahrain is sickle cell disease.
अपने आप से गिर जा रहा था और मैं उम्मीद हार चुकी थी कि मैं नहीं जिंदा रहूंगी बोलकर और जब मैं मरने वाली बची.
My doctor told me, you will never live till 42. I'm 45 now.
ఈ సికిల్ సెల్ ఉంది అని ఎక్కువ బాధపడేది కంటే తొందరగా తెలుసుకొని
People are beginning to understand the concept of sickle cell disease.
They can be a productive part of the community.
It's not a disability. It is actually a motivating factor.
सिकल सेल्स बीमारी मेरे को रोक नहीं सकता। शादी करने से मैं अच्छा फैमिली बिताना चाहता हूँ।
ये बीमारी से लड़ना चाहिए।
अगर आपको उससे लड़ना है तो आप महान हो फिर उसके लिए।
They're warriors. To be a warrior, you have to be a fighter.
You have to adapt.
You have to learn how to roll with the punches.
Mais dans la tête, c'est le plus important. Si on a le mental, si on a le moral, on peut faire des choses incroyables.
The sickle cell disease, don't stop me.
Capable de tout faire, mais vraiment tout faire, tout ce qu'on veut.
उम्मीद नहीं हारी और है ना जॉब पे स्टार्ट करी मैं जॉब जाना जब मेरा हेल्थ थोड़ा अच्छा हुआ तो अभी मैं घर भी देख रही हूँ घर भी मैं ही चलाती हूँ.
We have not made miracles, just take care of patients.
Ça donne de l'espoir, on se dit qu'on n'est pas tout seul dans ce combat-là.
I love me, I love my disease. It frustrates me, but I love it because it's still me.